Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Coinbase to sell your cryptocurrency. Coinbase is a popular platform for buying and selling digital currencies. And in this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of selling your crypto assets. First, you need to log into your Coinbase account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by providing some basic information and verifying your identity. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account balance and transaction history. To sell your cryptocurrency, click on the Sell button next to the currency you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell Bitcoin, click on the Sell button next to Bitcoin. This will take you to a page where you can enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount of cryptocurrency or sell all of your holdings at once. Enter the amount you want to sell and select the currency you want to receive in exchange. Coinbase supports several fiat currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. After you enter the amount and select the currency, review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transaction. Coinbase charges a small fee for selling cryptocurrency, which is typically a percentage of the transaction amount. Once you are satisfied with the transaction details, click the Sell button to confirm the transaction. The sale will be processed immediately, and the funds will be deposited into your Coinbase account. You can then transfer the funds to your bank account or use them to buy other cryptocurrencies. It is essential to note that the price of cryptocurrency can be volatile, and the value of your assets may fluctuate rapidly. It is crucial to keep an eye on the market and sell your cryptocurrency when the price is favorable. In addition to selling cryptocurrency, Coinbase also provides a feature to set up a sell order at a specific price. This means you can set a target price for your cryptocurrency, and when it reaches that price, Coinbase will automatically sell your assets. In conclusion, selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can easily sell your crypto assets and transfer the funds to your bank account or use them to buy other cryptocurrencies. Remember to always keep an eye on the market and sell your cryptocurrency when the price is favorable to maximize your gains.